How to add an avatar on your WhatsApp. Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how you can add an avatar on WhatsApp. First of all, we will check if we have the latest version of WhatsApp. Open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone and find WhatsApp. Click the Update button and wait for the latest features to be applied. After that, open WhatsApp. After we have opened WhatsApp, in the bottom menu, we will click on the Settings button located in the bottom right corner. From options to change our personal data, to many others. Anyway, we need an avatar option. After the option is opened, we will go to the Create Your Avatar button. A new window will tell us some basic information that we need to know when we want to create an avatar. We will click Get Started. In the window that opened the camera, we can take a picture of ourselves or create an avatar manually. I will take a picture by clicking the Take Photo button. I will take a photo in the window that opened for me. We will wait for the settings to be loaded. The next option we choose is the color of our skin. Choose yours and click Next. All that is needed now is to wait for the application to create our avatar. Once it has been created, we can click the Done button to confirm the selection, or click the Make More Edits button to make additional changes. If all that didn't turn out well, we can always click on the icon in the upper right corner and delete our avatar. That's all for this video. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel if this video helped you. See you in the next video.